to wear masks around here now. So, I don't even know if you can hear me at this point. I probably should just wait. Yeah, so.
We have to go to the clothes, guys.
We do have to go to the clothes real quick. So we're gonna go do that. I got some ribs.
Ribs. Yeah, ribs.
Alright, so I am going to get a bowl out. I forgot the bowl. Like a strainer thing. And maybe. And we are going to rinse these off because I like to rinse off the chicken. We're gonna just chop this up. Ah. All right, we're going to put this in here. It's dripping. Yes, I washed my hands before I started this. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab some seasoning. Give me 2 seconds. All right, so I like to use this seasoning here because it goes good on everything no matter what, and some seasoning salt, just regular old seasoning salt. I just season it a little bit before, that way all the juices and stuff mix together, and then I don't have to do a whole lot of it later. And I've noticed that sometimes if you don't do it before you start cooking, then it tends to be plain and boring, and that's not what I'm going for. All right, then we're gonna set this guy, well, I guess I'll put the lid on first. Maybe a little bit of chicken broth, water. We'll do a little bit of water. I don't know what I'm doing here, apparently. So I'm gonna get a little bit of water, put it in the bottom, and then we're gonna put this on. And then if you can see, we are going to put this on. Oh, hello. We're gonna put this on for an hour. So we're just gonna press poultry. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Drying. Okay. All right, there we go. We're gonna push, cancel. We're gonna push poultry, that's the chicken button or the meat button. And then we're gonna do $50 minutes. And while that is cooking, we're going to chop away. put my noodles in and boil them. And then I'm gonna throw in all my veggies. And I'm gonna, while that's boiling, I'm gonna debone this chicken, shred it, whatever, you know what I mean? So right now I'm going to get some water in this container. We're gonna get some water. Let's just start off like that. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with dumping in the water. And we're going to fill it halfway and put some cubes in there. While that's filling up, I'm going to open these. These are just frozen noodles that I use. I'm going to turn on halfway. We'll probably do 8, 7, or 8. Is it 6? 6. Because we want it to cook a little bit faster. The meat is now done. We're going to throw in these noodles in here, and then we're going to also put in some the veggies or whatnot, and we're going to get it all going. I'm going to put this on 8 so I can get it cooking a lot faster, because for some reason this pan takes forever to heat up. I don't know why. It just always has. It helps if you have hot water. And I'm going to start putting some cubes in there. These cubes here. Officially boiling. So I'm gonna dump in the noodles. Oh, I'm scared. This is all hot. They're kind of stuck together now a little bit. Yeah. They're like dough. Frozen is better. Okay, and then alright, that's that. And then we're going to dump in all of this. Oh, it's so hot. I'm just going to step back. I'm going to let this boil in together. And then we're going to have ourselves some chicken soup here in a little bit. And then we'll throw in the meat. And voila! It'll be done. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to dump in this chicken. Yes, it's boiling. We're going to dump in the chicken and we're going to dish our plates and we'll let you know how it tastes after we're done. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next one. Alright guys, this is the end result. It looks really good. It tastes really good. Oh, it's really good. I tried it already. That's how I know. I could use like a little bit of salt, not much, but it's pretty much healthy.